Migrating your data from Xero to QuickBooks Online? You essentially have two choices: a manual Excel method or a powerful plugin that simplifies everything. The standard Excel method is free, but it's full of major limitations. You'll spend hours exporting, formatting CSVs, and dealing with data gaps. By default, QuickBooks won't import journal entries, sales orders, or those essential custom fields. Plus, there's no undo button if you make a mistake. That's where Dancing Numbers comes in. Simply go to the App section, search for Dancing Numbers, and select Install to bypass these limits. Once launched, sign in with your Intuit or Google account. Select the Import utility to begin your streamlined migration. Browse and select your Excel file. The plugin automatically picks up your column names, even those custom fields, and maps them to QuickBooks. Use the Auto Match feature to save time. If your data is formatted correctly, you can even save this mapping for future imports. Always review and edit your data before the final step. Addressing missing information early prevents errors down the road. Once verified, select Import. Dancing Numbers handles the heavy lifting, getting your data safely into QuickBooks Online. If something goes wrong, don't worry. Use the filters and logs to identify errors, fix them, and use the Import Again feature instantly. Best of all, the Undo feature. If the results aren't perfect, you can wipe the import clean and reverse the entire action in one click. Need a starting point? Export any transaction from QuickBooks to use as a template for your Xero data formatting. Whether you use the app for regular work or our expert migration service for a one-time project, we've got you covered. Scan this QR code or click the link in the comments to book a free consultation. Let's make your QuickBooks migration a breeze.